In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on Jira Product Discovery, a specialized tool within the Jira ecosystem designed for teams to prioritize and track product features effectively. In this video, we'll explore what Jira Product Discovery is, why it's an essential tool for product managers and development teams, and how you can get started with it in 2024. So, before we get started, what is Jira Product Discovery? So, Jira Product Discovery is a product management tool created by Atlassian aimed at helping product teams capture and organize ideas, evaluate and prioritize features based on customer needs and business goals, collaborate effectively across teams to turn ideas into actionable items. So it bridges the gap between brainstorming product ideas and implementing them, ensuring that the most impactful features make it to production. So let's get started. So in the Jira product discovery website, simply sign up for an account so you can get it free right here. So after signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to this page right here. So the Jira product discovery will um, let us create our first project. So let us just name our project and create a project key. So let's say I'm just going to add the default name, which is the My Discovery project. So from here, just click on Create Project and just wait for Jira to actually create our project. So Atlassian or Jira Product Discovery is now creating our project for us. It's customizing our dashboards. As you can see, this is the preview. And now, as you can see, it has already created us with this template. So as you can see, all ideas about this view, we have our tables right here. So we are in the all ideas view, which stores all ideas in the project. So we can add our own ideas, opportunities, initiatives. So this view has the pre-configured fields that Jira Product Discovery created for us. So as you can see the most common criteria, which is the goal, impact, effort, and all that. So as you can see, we have this pre-made for us, this table. So these are the sample ideas. As you can see, we have these instructions right here. So we can gather ideas and insight in Jira Product Discovery and prioritize ideas with views and fields and connect ideas with delivery in Jira software. So this table has the summary right here. So you can read it when you are in this page. This is the goal. This is the comments, insights, impact, effort, the roadmap, and the documents. So this is just the summary, and this is the sample ideas. So let's say these are our actual ideas. So we want to add a express checkout. So this idea has this goal to win enterprise customers. We can also add comments right here if you want. And this is the insights. You can see there is a sample insight right here. They love our app and use it many times a day. Their main problem is that it takes way too long to check out and all that. This is the impact. So of course you can edit this. So let's say you want to set it to very low or very high. The effort, you can also set it to very low, very high, or simply medium. And here is the roadmap. So we can either set it to now, later, or won't do. And of course, from here, we can add or filter it. Also create a new idea if you want. And this is the all ideas section. Now let's move on to impact assessment. So from here, you can prioritize ideas before deciding on what goes in your roadmap. So in this example, we calculate an impact score based on the impact field. So what's good about Jira Product Discovery is that they are giving us a tour while we are exploring their platform. So every time you click on these sections, we will have the simple tool right here so we can understand how we are going to use this platform. So that's basically, this is the impact assessment. So we can see the impact of this to do list. So we can set what we want to do first. Have the customer segments right here too. Next is impact versus effort. So we can prioritize it visually so we can compare ideas on a matrix and identify quick wins or big bets. So basically, this is a visual presentation about impact versus effort. So you will see all of the metrics right here. So as you can see, it's like a graph. Next is the product roadmap. So we have the tables right here. So roadmap focused on outcomes. You can create a non-time based roadmap and share it in discussions with stakeholders. As you can see in this example, we have the now, next, and later section. So again, you can always customize all of this if you want. This is just a pre-made template by Jira for us. Next is the product timeline. So as you can see, it's basically the timeline of what we are working on. Next is delivery status. So from here, we will see the teams. So we will see the status, the dates, where we want this project to be done. Next is more views. We can see our custom frameworks right here. So as you can see, we can assign specific team members to these tasks. So just accept that. Next is archive. So basically, we have the archived IDs right here. So you can just simply read all of this. Basically, what you want to do is simply go to your all ideas. So you can also go to your work, your projects, also see your dashboards right here to keep track of your projects. You can click here on Teams to invite your team members. So let's say you want to invite a team member. So just simply add their email address right here and let them accept the invitation. And now they will see all of these tables right here, and you can work with this together. And last, the project settings. From here, you can always change your project icon, your project name, who has the access to your project, the fields, the notifications, features such as the create ideas or Atlas integration, your workflow. You can create automated workflows right here too. So basically, that's all of the features of Jira Product Discovery. You can create your own projects right here. So feel free to explore their platform, and in no time, you will now get the hang of how to use it in your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.